So, good morning students. I am Ravi sir from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Sagar, and we are here again to have the second lecture of class 12 chemistry chapter 1, that is solid state. Dear students, कल हमने अपना पहला टॉपिक यूनिट सेल, टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट सेल एंड नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इन यूनिट सेल वो हमने पढ़ा था. अगर आपने मेरा फर्स्ट लेक्चर नहीं देख पाया है तो हमारा फर्स्ट लेक्चर देखिए एंड देन यू कैन हैव द सेकेंड लेक्चर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कल का हमारा जो कंटिन्यूएशन टॉपिक है वो है क्या? द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द नियरेस्ट नेबर एज of unit cell and radius of atom, that is r. मतलब I will tell you, suppose if we talk about a unit cell, so for simplification we are considering unit cell in a form of simple cube. Now this cell is called as what? Edge length. This portion is called as what? Edge length, that you are representing as A, edge length. And in this unit cell, atoms are sitting somewhere in the corner or in face, somewhere in the corner or in face, बैठे होंगे. So today we are going to study कि suppose the radius of atom is r. Then what is the relationship between edge length and radius of atom in the unit cell? And then we will discuss about the nearest neighbor distance between nearest neighbor. I think understood? आज का टॉपिक आपको क्लियर हो गया. हमें पढ़ना है कि एज लेंथ, रेडियस ऑफ एटम के बीच क्या रिलेशनशिप है एंड अलोंग विद दैट व्हाट इज द नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस. नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज व्हाट? डी. तो सबसे पहले वी विल टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ यूनिट सेल, दैट इज सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. सो बहुत जल्दी से हम लोग देख लेते हैं सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. So we are going to study relationship for simple cubic unit cell. Dear students, जैसे कि हमने कल पढ़ा था, for simple cubic unit cell what we are having in that unit cell cube having atoms only at the corner. Atoms at the corner. So how many corners are there in a cube? 8. So there will be 8 atoms. So for simple cubic, जैसा कि हम कल पढ़ा हम लोगों ने, for simple cubic we are having a unit cell having atoms only at the corner. 8 corner होते हैं तो we are having 8 atoms. तो now we are going to see कि suppose this is your edge length A, and suppose this much portion is the radius of atom, that is r. So what is the relationship between the A and r? But before that, dear students, solids we all know they are compactly packed. Clear? Solids are what? They are compactly packed. Now if you try to visualize here, are these atoms compactly packed? No, they are not compactly packed. Are they compactly packed? No. For the simplification of our studies, what we are saying, we are representing simple cubic unit cell in this form. Actually this form is what? Not the actual form. This is the expanded form, expanded form of simple cubic unit cell. This is not the actual structure. Now I am going to tell you the actual structure. In actual structure, atoms will be what? Compactly packed. Atoms will be what? Compactly packed. So let's see the compact structure of simple cubic unit cell. Compact structure of compact structure. So in compact structure, what we will have? These atoms, these four atoms will be what? Compactly packed. तो compactly packed करते हैं. First atom, second atom, third atom, and fourth atom of this phase compactly packed. And back to this, back to this, back to this, and back to this. There will be what? There will be some more atoms. So this is the what? 3D structure of this actual structure, compact structure. Got the point? In simple cubic, we are, for simplification, we are drawing this expanded form, but this is not the actual structure. Actual structure is what this. The atoms are compactly packed. ये इससे जुड़ा है, ये इससे जुड़ा है, ये आपस में जुड़े हैं. This one is attached, this one attached, and these one are attached to each other. So if you try to visualize, how they are attached. So let's see. These are attached something like this, like this, like this, and like this to form the square face. This will be attached to this one, this will be attached to this one, and this one. So we are getting something, some type of what? A cubes which are having what? Atoms at the corner. Now you see here, students, what is this? समझ में आ रहा है? एटम का आधा डिस्टेंस सेंटर से कॉर्नर तक का, this will be called as what? Radius. What will be this? This will be also called what? Radius. And this whole portion will be called as what? It will be called as h. This whole portion is what? This whole portion will be called as, this will be what? This will be acting as h. तो relationship हमारा आया नहीं आया? The relationship between A and R, h length and radius of atom comes to be this one. What? H length A is 2 times the R, 2 times the radius, 2 times the. So this is the first relationship between edge length and radius. For simple cubic, edge length A will be 2 times the radius. 2 times the radius, or we can say, what is the radius of atom? In simple cubic, it will be edge length divided by 2, half of the edge length. Now comes the next topic. What is that? Nearest neighbor distance. So यहाँ पर अगर हम गौर से देखेंगे, नियरेस्ट मतलब जब दो एटम आपस में चिपके हो तो उनके बीच की दूरी. The distance between two attached atom. So distance between two attached atom again comes to be how much? 2r. So if we talk about the nearest neighbor distance, it comes to be how much? It comes to be how much again? 2r. And what is 2r? 2r equals to A. So we got the relationship between what? Nearest neighbor distance, radius, and edge of simple cubic unit cell. Now students, we are going to have the relationship between the D, nearest neighbor, edge length, and radius for face-centered unit cell. In case of face-centered unit cell, we all know we are having atoms at the 8 corners. Along with that, we are having atoms at the 6 faces. First phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth, front one and back one. So we are having 6 atoms at the face and 8 atoms at the corner. Dear students, थोड़ा सा imagine करना है. थोड़ा सा let's try to imagine. Suppose we are having 4 atoms. 4 atoms at 4 atoms attached to each other, and this represents one phase. If I add one more atom here of same size, अगर मैं एक और एटम इनके बीच में रख दूं, तो try to visualize what is going to happen. बहुत ध्यान से visualize करना. When I will add the atom, one atom of same size, what will happen? It will what? Expand. The connection between these two, and these two will be lost, and we will have what? The scenario something like this. The 4 atoms which were closely attached, now they are what? They are gone some distance apart from each other. This happens in the case of face-centered unit cell. When we place the atom in the center of one phase, the atoms move apart, they lose connection between them, and the condition becomes something like this. So if I take you to the 3-dimensional structure, you can see here. When I place the atom, I find that this atom, because of this atom, what happens? These 4 atoms move far apart. पहले जुड़े हुए थे, अब क्या हो गया? वो दूर हो गए. And in this case, if we try to observe the edge length, the edge length will be, if I join, edge length will be how much? It will be again, suppose A, the radius of the atom R, radius of the atom will be what? R. The diameter will be here for this atom will be R and R, 2R, and if I join this line in the face represents what? Face diagonal. ये एक face है और इसके बीच में हमने रखा है diagonal, face diagonal. Got idea? When I place the atom between the 4 atoms of a face, what happens? The atoms move far apart. जब दूर चले गए तो क्या हुआ? The edge length we have supposed A, radius of atom we have taken R. So if I try to visualize what is the distance of face diagonal, this will be called as what? Face diagonal. So face diagonal becomes what? Face diagonal becomes how much? 4 times R. R and R, 4R. Now we are going to establish the relationship between the A and R, edge length, and R for face-centered unit cell. आपको सबको समझ में आ गया है? जैसे हमने एक एटम रखा, एटम फेस में, एटम दूर चले गए, ये आपस में जुड़े नहीं है. जो क्लोज कनेक्शन है, जो नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस, बहुत ध्यान दो बच्चों, जो नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस है वो अब कितनी है? तो नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस अब हमारे पास है R प्लस R, क्योंकि यही बात जुड़े आपस में, R प्लस R, 2R and 2R. तो one thing is clear, the nearest neighbor distance, again becomes what? D, and D will be what? 2 times R. दो एटम जो क्लोजली जुड़े हुए हैं, तो जुड़े तो केवल यही है, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन और दिस वन। तो इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी है? इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस है 2R, 2R, 2R and 2R. I think understood? Now, to have a better idea, let's consider this point, this phase as, suppose if I draw here, suppose if I draw the top view or we can say side view हमें दिखाया तो side view. In side view what we have seen, we are having atoms at the four corner, and these atoms are attached to a atom in the face. This whole distance from here to here, we are taking it as A. This distance is R. This is R and R, 2R. And this is what? This is what? R. So now we are going to establish relationship between A and R. So for this, let's take this point as A, this point as B, and this point as C. So according to Pythagoras theorem, if you see this is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle ABC, what we have? AC diagonal square will be equal to height square plus base square, that is AB square plus what? BC square. What is AC square? AC is what? AC is 4 times R square. What is AB? AB is H distance, A square. What is BC? H length, that is what? A square. So what we have, if we remove square, R square is equals to A square plus A square. Okay? If we remove square from here, what we get? 4R is equals to root of A plus A square plus A square, 2A square. Or we can say 4R is equals to, ये रूट निकल जाएगा, root 2A. And what will be R? R will be root 2A by 4. If we simplify root 2, it will be becoming what? 2 root 2. So what we have here? R is equals to A by 2 root 2. So this is the relationship between what? Radius and edge length for face-centered unit cell. I think understood? So this is the relationship between R and A, radius of atom and edge length. So radius of atom is equals to what? A by 2 root 2. Now you see here, what is nearest neighbor distance? D. It is 2 times. सबसे पास के दो एटम के बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी है? D है. D मतलब 2R. So what is D? So D here will be 2 times R. Or we can say D is what? Nearest distance is what? 2 times R. 2 times R. Value of R is what? A upon 2 root 2. 2 and 2 cancel, and what we get? Distance between, for relationship between distance of closest approach and the edge comes to be D is equals to A by root 2. Forward FCC. So now dear students, we are having third type of unit cell, that is body centered unit cell. For this we are going to study what is the relationship between edge length A radius of atom and distance between the nearest neighbor. So as we all know, in the case of body centered unit cell, what we have atoms at 8 corner and one atom is at the center. In the case of body centered unit cell, we are having 8 atoms at the corner, okay, or one atom is placed at the center. This is the expanded view. This is the actually expanded view. In actually they are compactly packed. So if we try to have the compact view, we will have the structure. This is the actual structure. Compact view. We will have something like this. Now, student, try to visualize. When we don't place these atoms in the center, they are what? Compactly packed. जब हम एटम बीच में नहीं रखते हैं तो ये सारे एटम्स आपस में कैसे होते हैं? ये पास जुड़े होते हैं, आपस में जुड़े हैं. They are closely attached to each other and they form the cube. लेकिन जैसे हम एक एटम सेंटर में रखते हैं, ये एटम आपस में दूर चले जाते हैं. कनेक्शन लॉस्ट, दूर चले गए. ये आपस में दूर चले जाएंगे, दूर चले जाएंगे. एंड what we will have scenario something like this. This atom at the corners are not touching each other. The atom which actually connects with other atom is what? Central atom. Central atom which is at the center connects with this atom, this atom, and this atom. Now, suppose if we take the edge length of the unit cell, अगर हम edge length क्या मान रहे हैं? अगर a मान रहे हैं, suppose the edge length is a, क्यूब है तो सारा edge a ही होगा. And the radius of atom, suppose we are assuming to be what? R. Radius of atom R and R. So we are having what? If we talk about this point A, B, the distance between A, B here now comes to be how much? R plus R plus R and plus R. So we are having the distance between these two. This is called body diagonal. This is called what? AB. AB will be called as what? AB is called body diagonal. Body diagonal. Body diagonal. So the distance between body diagonal is how much? R plus R plus R plus R, 4R. Now, if you try to locate what is the distance between two closest atoms. So distance between two closest atoms is what? 2R. So distance between two closest atom is how much? 2R. 2 times R. Always we will have distance between two close atoms how much? 2R. 2 times R. Now, to have the relationship between this edge length and R, first we will consider a triangle BCD. Suppose we consider this triangle BCD. We are considering this triangle BCD. This angle is 90. This angle is 90. All the angles in the cube is 90. So this is what? 90. And this will be forming what? Right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, BCD, what we have, BC and AD, BC and CD, they will form the height and base, and B will be acting as a diagonal. In triangle BCD, which is a right angle triangle, this is the base of a cube. Base of a cube will be what? 90 degree. Base of a cube will be what? 90 degree. Edges will have, the angle between the edges will be what? 90 degree. So this angle is 90. This angle is what? 90. Now this will be forming what? Height. This will be forming the base, and this will be forming the face diagonal. This will be forming what? BD. BD will be forming what? Face diagonal. Face. So according to Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle BCD, the diagonal square will be equal to base square plus height square. So BCD, what we have, diagonal BD square will be equal to square of base BD square plus height square, that is CB square. What is BD? What is BD here? We have to calculate. So BD square will be equal to CD square. What is CD? This is the edge length, that is A square, plus what is CB? Edge length, that is A square. So what we get? BD will be equal to root of 2A square, and root of 2A square will be equal to what? Root 2A. So we got the value of face diagonal. The value of face diagonal comes to be how much? Root 2A. Root 2A. Root 2A. Now consider one more triangle, ADB, or we can say ABD. In triangle A, B and D, which is a what? Which is again a right angle triangle. This is the base of the cube. So base, angle between the base and the edge will be what? 90. So this is right angle triangle. This will be right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle ABD, this will be acting as a diagonal. Sure, diagonal. This diagonal is called what? Body diagonal. Body diagonal. So body diagonal here is what? 4R. So in triangle ABD, to get the value of this pi diagonal, we can again get the Pythagoras theorem. AB square will be equal to sum of what? Height square, that is AD square, plus base square, that is BD square. So AB is what? 4R whole square. What is AD? AD is edge. A square plus what is BD? BD is root 2A. अभी हमने निकाला. This is called face diagonal. Face diagonal. So root 2A whole square. So what we have? 4R whole square is equals to A square plus 2R square. Or we can say what? 4r square equals to 4r the whole square equals to 3a square, 2a square plus a square, 3a square. Or we can say what? 4r is equals to what? Root of this? Root of 3a square. That will come how much? 4r is equals to root 3a, square root of a square a, and here comes r is equals to root 3a by 4. So this is the relationship between what? The radius and the edge length of what? Body centered cubic unit cell. Once again, बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे बार हम लोग. In case of body centered unit cell, what we have to find what? We have to find the relationship between the edge length and r. Edge length and r, that comes to be how much? R square root 3a by 4. So dear students, after all these derivations, we have come to the conclusion, और conclusion ही main हमको पढ़ना है. The relationship between edge length of unit cell, the radius of atom in the unit cell, and the distance of the closest atom we have calculated and we have written here. इसी को main हमको पढ़ना है बच्चों. Suppose derivation समझ में नहीं आया या कहीं पर confusion है, no problem. Derivation तो हमारे CBSE में कहीं पर है ही नहीं. Direct we have to learn the formulas and the question will be asked based on this formula. So for simple cubic we all know the relationship between edge and the radius is how much? Edge is 2 times the radius and edge length will be equal to the distance of closest approach, that is d. In the case of face centered unit cell, what we have? The radius of atom is equals to edge length upon 2 root 2. And the distance of closest approach will be 2 times the radius. So 2 times this value, what you will get? A by root 2. And in the case of body centered unit cell, the radius of atom will be what? Root 3 into h length upon 4. And distance of closest approach will be what? 2 times r. So 2 times this value, what you will get? Root 3a by 2. ये फॉर्मूला हमको बहुत अच्छी तरह से बच्चों करना चाहिए. And one more thing, we have to know in the case of a cube, what we have? We are drawing a diagonal. On the face. We are drawing the diagonal on the face. This is called what? Face diagonal. The value of face diagonal A Pythagoras theorem. Value of this is A and A. This will be coming what? Root 2A. So face diagonal value of any cube is how much? Root 2a. This we have to keep in mind. Face diagonal of a cube is how much? Root 2a. And one more thing. Suppose we are drawing a diagram like this. We are drawing a line from this end up to this end. From the center we are drawing. From one end to other end touching line passing through center. This will be called as what? This will be called as body diagonal. This will be called as what? Body diagonal. And the value of the body diagonal will be what? Root 3a. This also we have to keep in mind. In the case of cube, face diagonal, the value comes from root 2a. हम कर चुके हैं. और if we will try to calculate this value, it will come how much? Root 3. So now dear students, after learning all these relationships, the main thing is how questions will come in your board exam as well as in the competitive exams. So for that, let's have one question from CBSE board exam. Before solving this question, you must know that we have to mug up these formulas, relationships. Then only we will be quickly solve the questions. So I have taken one question from CBSE board exam. Question is something like this. Silver crystallizes in face-centered cubic unit cell. Each side of unit cell has length 400 picometer. Each side. So what is 400 picometer? This is edge length. Edge length. That is A is given to us how much? 400 picometer. And it is asked calculate the radius of atom, silver atom. So for FCC, formula batao. In case of FCC, the relationship between the radius of atom and edge length दिया है और radius पूछ रहा है, तो formula बनना चाहिए. What is the formula? R is equals to A by root 2. This is the formula. So how we will solve this? For FCC, what we have? R is equals to A by 2 root 2, where R is what? It is radius of atom. And what is A? A is edge length. Yes. So we have to calculate R. A is given to us 400 picometer upon 2 into 2 root 2. So here we get how much? 200 by root 2. And 200 by root 2 means 200 by, the value of root 2 is how much? The value of root 2 will be how much? 1.414 something. 1.414. On solving, the answer will be something around 141.4 pico. So now we are having one more question which has came in IIT Mains 2014 based on our topic that we have discussed today, relationship between edge length, radius of atom and distance between the nearest neighboring atom. Question is something like this. Cesium chloride crystallizes in BCC lattice, body centered lattice, crystal lattice. If A is its edge length, so what is A? A is the edge length. Then which of the following expression is correct? Radius of cesium plus radius of chlorine is 3A. Radius of cesium plus radius of chloride is 3A by 2. Radius of cesium ion plus chloride ion is root 3A by 2. And radius of cesium plus radius of chloride ion is root 3A. अब बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन बड़ा डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, इसमें अलग से कोई कैलकुलेशन है ही नहीं. बॉडी सेंटर्ड के लिए दिस इज व्हाट एज लेंथ, और हमसे क्या पूछा है? रेडियस दिया हुआ है, लेकिन एक रेडियस नहीं पूछा है एटम का, दोनों रेडियस पूछा है. सीजियम और क्लोराइड, सपोज दिस इज सीजियम एंड दिस इज क्लोराइड. पूछ रहा है सीजियम और क्लोराइड के बीच की लेंथ क्या होगी. सो दिस विल बी व्हाट? डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर विल बी व्हाट? r, and distance from here to here will be what? r. And we all know r and r is actually what? 2r. 2r is what? distance between closest atom, that is distance between closest atom means what? D. So if we are knowing the relationship between A or R or A or D, we can get the answer. हमसे पूछा है क्या? D पूछा है एक्चुअली भी हमसे. Distance between the closest atom, it will be what? 2 times the radius. And how radius is related to A? For BCC, we all know. For BCC, what we have? देखो बच्चों यहाँ पर for BCC, what we have? For BCC, what we have? Radius is root 3a by 4. Radius is this much, and double of radius will be what? Double of radius will be what? Distance of closest approach between cesium and chlorine. It will be 2r. Distance of closest approach, this will be coming how much? 3a by root 3a by 2. So where is root 3a by 2? This one. So C is the correct answer. So now we are having our next question. That is also from IIT Mains 2015. 40 में जो क्वेश्चन आया बच्चों, सेम वैसा ही क्वेश्चन विद सेम फॉर्मूला, वैल्यू बदल करके वही सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा 2015 में. लेट्स सी. सोडियम मेटल क्रिस्टलाइजेस इन BCC lattice, body centered lattice, with unit cell edge of, so edge length is how much given to us? 4.29 Armstrong. The radius of sodium atom is 1.86, 3.26, 22, 5.72 and 0.93 Armstrong. So direct formula based, इससे पहले जो वीडियो में देखा हमने सेम वही क्वेश्चन है क्या? For BCC we all know, for BCC what is the relationship between radius and edge? Radius ये सब रटना पड़ेगा, मगज होना चाहिए. Radius of atom is root 3a by 4. This is the relationship between radius and edge of BCC unit cell. So radius is asked, so it will be how much? Root 3 into a, 4.29 Armstrong upon 4. Or we can say root 3 का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 1.73 अप्रॉक्स into 4.29 upon 4. And if you solve it, the answer will come around 1.85 Armstrong. So if you try to locate our answer, it will be close to which value? 1.86 Armstrong. So answer must be what? A. So dear students, this is the last questions of today's lecture, which I have taken from IIT Mains 2017. जो आज हमने पढ़ा उसी पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन 14 में आया, 15 में आया और फिर 17 में भी आया. Let's try to see what is the question. A metal crystallizes in face-centered cubic structure (FCC). Face-centered cubic structure. That is what? FCC type of structure. The edge length of its unit cell is A. The value of edge length is given how much? A. Edge length is given how much? A. Question is asked, the closest approach between two atoms will be 2A, 2 root 2A, root 2A और A by root 2. तो अभी तक डिस्कशन में we have discussed lot of times. Closest approach मतलब क्या? कि जब एटम आपस में joined हो तो उनके बीच की दूरी, the distance between two joined atom. तो distance between two joined closed atom we are representing by what? D. And we have been asked relationship between the closest approach. Closest approach means what? D. And the edge length. So for FCC, what you see here, the distance and edge are related by formula what? D is equals to A by root 2. So our answer will be what? D option. My dear students, आज हमने पढ़ा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द एज लेंथ, radius and the distance between the two atoms which are closest to each other, touching each other. And this concept forms the base for our next class. तो तब तक पढ़ते रहिए, stay focused.